Sehemu za Thika Makongeni. Bwana Mwangi, habari gani?
Salama sana, habari yako?
Niko fiti, habari ya Thika?
Kuko salama kabisa, kajua leo kidogo.
Amazing. Umekula ngapi ya Thika box, daddy?
So my name is Professor Paul Giron Dakanio from University of Embu. I'm a rice breeder and currently here at Mwihoko, where we are introducing a new variety which has been bred from our labs. This is purely bred here in Kenya from local varieties, and in this variety we have crossed Basmat 370 with a dwarf variety so that we can be able to provide an alternative to Basmat, which has got one, shorter in plant height, two, it can resist lodging, and it is super yielding. Like the one we are presenting here today is able to triple the yield of Basmat, whereby Basmati yield is 4.1 tons per hectare, and here we are presenting this one, which is tested to be 11 tons per hectare. This is a remarkable achievement because we are moving towards food security. You can see the comparison. This is the Basmat to my left. This is the Basmat variety, which is quite tall in stem, you can see. Compared to the new variety we are releasing, this is the new variety we are releasing.